This is our 85 Ultra Slim series. The front's visible width is only 48 mm and the sash's visible width is about 77.7 mm. It's slimmer than most other windows on the market. This ultra slim design maximizes giving you a large wide view. We use 6060T66 aluminum profiles. It is strong enough to support large glass panels. Furthermore, the wall thickness is over 20 mm, which means great structural strength and excellent wind resistance. On top of that, it has a vertical Isothermal Line Design, 35.3 mm extra wide multi-cavity PA66 nylon heat insulation strip, heat insulation and energy saving.
This window is in the process of NFRC certification, boasting a U value as low as 0.21. It ensures outstanding quality and energy savings.
We also hold AMA3 performance certification with a level up to CWPG 60A3 level. This series can be made with fixed windows, inward open and inward turning windows. We also use EPDM automotive-grade ceiling strips to extend the window's lifespan. For hardware, we use German Signia components paired with German FSP handles up to 10 years of service life.
Stay with Wellste, know more window and door knowledge.